How to draw a sunflower just like this. To start things off, draw two different circles, one on the inside and then one that's a little bit bigger that goes along the outside. The outer circle will be the perimeter of our petals. While sketching them in, keep in mind where they connect to the center of the sunflower. You can always stylize the center of your flowers, and for this one I just added more petals to add more depth. Every petal should flow around the ball shape. Now clean up your sketches. You can even add in some leaves for a better composition. I use the Studio Pen to line, and I always use a thinner line weight to start out. Again, keeping in mind that these petals would wrap under the center ball shape. Using an even thinner line weight for the smaller details will create even more dimension in your drawings. From there, I add bolder outlines to the outsides of my petals just to add even more depth. Set your line work to reference, and now we can start going in on the shading and coloring. I use this custom stippling brush I made to make it feel like you can really feel the center of the sunflower. For color blending, I like to use a soft airbrush in the airbrushing tab. Brush out your light tones, then come back over it with your darker tones. Contrast is always key, so I'll go back in and add some darker tones. Follow for more drawing tutorials.